In this video, I will demonstrate you customize application for ZKTeco Attendance device integration with Odoo. So let's start. I logged in into the Odoo database and we need to install the application. So I will go into the application and here in the search box, I will search ZKTeco and application exists. So if it is not installed, created by Danaxel, then you need to install this application. So created by Danaxel, so you need to install the application, and once this application will install, it will be appear in the attendance menu, attendance application. So I will go into the attendance application. So here, so I will go to configurations and devices. So here we need to configure the device with the Odoo. So I will click on the new and will provide the name of the device and then IP address and then the port. If the device ZKTeco device is password protected, then we can we have to provide the password. Attendance mode will be the check-in, check-out, or both. If using the same machine for check-in and check-out, then the option both will be selected. If the machine is using only for the check-in, so we will select the check-in, and vice versa if it is for the check-out only. So these are the three options. We need to select one of the option. Then protocol will be the TCP. I already have provided information over here. So device 2 I have opened, and here the test connection option is available. So I will press the test connection. After providing the information, now the connection has been successfully established. Now I can fetch the attendance from this menu. So I will click over here, fetch attendance. If I want, if I need to fetch the attendance manually, so here is the option to fetch attendance. So I will click on fetch attendance. It will open a pop-up window. Here I will provide the date, from which date to from date to date I have to fetch the attendance manually. So there are two options. Automatically attendance will be fetched through the cron job, or the manually we will fetch the attendance. So let's fetch the attendance through the cron job. So here, if the last synchronization have been mentioned, that means the attendance has been fetched, and the next time the attendance will fetch from this date. So I will remove this one. That means all the attendance should be fetched, but before fetching the attendance from the device, we need to map the employees with the device. So I will go into the employee application. So here is the employees application, and here we need to map the employee IDs with the device. So here is the option device mapping. So here add a line, and we'll select the device. If multiple devices is there, so we can configure all the devices. If allow the employee to check in or check out or any device, so device 2 will be select, and here we'll provide the user ID that must be the similar mentioned in the device, registered in the device for this employee. So whatever the employee ID, we will provide over here. The device ID and the here mapping ID remains same. So I have mapped some of the employees already, so I will cancel this one. So after mapping, we can fetch the attendance from the device. So I will go into the schedule actions. Here is the schedule actions, and here I will search attend. So here is one of the cron job is available. Schedule action is there. ZKTeco attendance, fetch attendance from device. I will open this one. So by default, it is executed every 1 hour. That means after every 1 hour, it will this scheduler action will execute and will fetch the attendance every hour. So currently I make it disabled, so if it will be activated, then it will execute after 1 hour. So I will call this execute this schedule action manually. So I will click on run manually. So loading, so it is in process, so it will take a little bit time, but normally when it will execute in the back end, it will be run in the back end, will fetch the attendance at the back end side. So the execution has been done. Now go back to the attendance application. So here is in the attendance, and I will open the devices menu again. So open the device record, and here we can see the queue1. There is one queue has been created, and the status of this queue is that successful records 184 and failed are 6558. So why this is the huge number? Here is the option. We can see why the records are not being fetched. So I click on the fail, and here we can see the employee field is empty, and the message is clearly showing that employee mapping not found. So all the employees in this database is not currently mapped with the device ID. I have mapped only couple of the employees only, those are the successful. So 184 records are the successful. If I click on the successful, so here you can see the employee record is there, user ID, and the message is attendance created successfully. So when the attendance will create successfully, we will see the device attendance. So device attendance will be appear over here, attendances. If I click on this one, attendances, and here 184 records has been displayed for the different employees. So if I group by employees, so 3 employees attendance has been imported successfully from the device. Now we need to post this attendance to the Odoo transaction. Odoo attendance, the actual transaction that Odoo use will be appear in the management. So here the attendance will be appear. The device attendance is the temporary attendance. It will post and in the second step, and it will be appear in this menu, the management. Now again it will be through the scheduler cron job, or we also have the manual option. In the manual option, we need to select the attendances for all employees or the for selected attendances, and we can process attendance. But I will go with the through the backend automatically. So I will go into the scheduler action. So here is the scheduler action, and here we will see attend. Another cron job is there, ZKTeco Attendance queue processor. So I click on this queue processor. Queue processor will execute after every 5 minutes. So if any queue is pending, queue record is pending, it will post the transaction from device to the Odoo attendance. So I will click on the run manually because this is right now not active. So I will click on the run manually. If it will be active, then every 5 minutes it will execute automatically. So I click on the run manually, and processing and start, and now the execution has been finished. Now go back to the attendance application again. So here is the attendance, and I will click on the device attendance and the attendances. So here you can see there is no attendance is here now in the draft stage. I will remove, if I remove the draft filter, then you can see all the attendances messages, attendance validated and status has been changed to validated. So that means attendance has been imported into the Odoo. And now go into the attendance transaction of the attendance application of the Odoo, the management. When I click on the management and remove to approve, because the attendance has been created and posted automatically. So here you can see the 92 records has been created in the Odoo attendance and has been posted. So 92 records in the device attendance, there is a 184 or 86, I believe, or the 84 records are there. But in management, in Odoo attendance, there is a 92 records because the device attendance having the multiple records for the separate records for the sign in and sign out. But in the Odoo, there is one record for check in and check out. So that's why in Odoo attendance, it will create one record, while in the device attendances, there are two records if your attendance machine is providing the separate check in and check out.